Welcome to Uniforce 395 Breath Alcohol Analyzer training video. In this video, we will be having a look at introduction and operation of breathalyzer. Also, we will be looking at mobile app and server application. Introduction. Uniforce 395 Breath Alcohol Analyzer Kit contains following items. Uniforce 395 Breath Alcohol Analyzer, 20 blow pipes, 1 passive sampling cup, RS-232 USB cable, charger for breath alcohol analyzer, mobile, with Uniforce 395 mobile app pre-installed and its charger, Hithi P110 color printer, its charging adapter, USB Bluetooth dongle, and 60 pieces of photo paper. Operation. On the left hand side, there is a rocker switch to switch the instrument on and off and a charging socket. On the right hand side, there is a RS-232 USB port for communication. The front panel has 4 keys: up, down, recall, print, 2 LEDs for power and positive, and an 8x2 alphanumeric LCD or OLED display. The blowpipe provided in the kit is to be fitted in the slot provided on the rear side of the instrument. Switch on the instrument by pressing on-off key. The instrument starts to prompt model name, serial number, version, range, resolution, current date, current time, and calibration date. After Bluetooth initializing and self-check, the instrument prompts blow now, indicating it is ready for test. The instrument has mainly 4 major functions: settings, download data, measurement, and calibration. Settings mode. From main menu, press recall key to go into parameter setting mode. Recall records. From main menu, press recall key until recall records prompt is displayed. Press print key again and all the data in the specified range will be downloaded. Parameter setting. Date setting. By using down key, Shift the blinking cursor to desired position and increment the digit indicated by the blinking cursor using the up key. Press recall key to move to next parameter setting, discarding the current changes. Press print key to move to next parameter while saving the current changes. Note that the date format is date, month and year. Time. Time setting can also be done in a similar manner by up and down keys as explained, and the time format is hour, minute and second. Please note that any changes in setting mode is to be confirmed by print key while can be skipped by pressing recall key. Set unit. Press up or down key to switch between BAC or milligram per 100 ml measurement unit. Press print key to validate the changes. Set limit. Set the alcohol limit by pressing up and down keys as explained earlier. If the detected alcohol value is greater than the set value, it will be considered as positive result. Please note that this limit is factory set to 30 mg per 100 ml. Set printer Bluetooth ID. This feature is used for feeding Bluetooth printer ID. It's a 12-digit alphanumeric ID provided with the printer. Please note that here up key will be used to increment digit from 0 to 9 and also alphabets from A to F. Reset data log. The data logged into instrument's memory can be cleared by pressing print key. Please make sure that you have downloaded or have a backup of the data before deleting. Press recall key to move to measurement mode without deleting data. Connect printer or PC. Bluetooth pairing. Insert the Bluetooth dongle into the USB port of the printer. Switch on the printer by pressing the power button for 3 to 4 seconds and press OK button. The Bluetooth icon appears on the screen. Switch on the breathalyzer and navigate to Connect printer or PC. Select PC and press Print button once the Blow Now prompt appears. Bluetooth is ready to be discovered. From the mobile, go to Bluetooth settings, switch on the Bluetooth and scan for available Bluetooth devices. In the available Bluetooth device column, you can find two new devices, HiTi P110 printer and UBAA breathalyzer. The password to pair the UBAA breathalyzer is 1234 and HiTi P110 printer is 0000. Go to Load Form, click on the camera and take a picture. Crop as required and click on Save. Now the picture appears into the report. Please note that the photo is to be captured while the subject is being tested. Fix the passive sampling cup on the nozzle. Hold the instrument in front of the subject with the cup covering his mouth and nose and press up key. Now in the breathalyzer, press print key and the complete data is transferred to the mobile app and also saved into the breathalyzer. From the mobile, enter other informations like subject's name, license number, etc. and sign the form. After all the data is entered, click on print and the report will be printed. Simultaneously, the data will be saved into the mobile and also uploaded on the server.